Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or 11 or any Windows. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. This method work on both PC and laptop. So what is basically RAM cache? RAM cache is the clear cache memory of your computer or laptop or PC. So on in which all the performance is carried out. So whenever your system is getting hanged, then this might cause by RAM cache. So first of all, let me gonna tell you what is RAM cache and how you can see it. So for that, you have to just simply go to search bar and you have to just simply search for taskbar. So after searching for task manager, you have to just simply click on it to open up the task manager. So after that, you guys can be able to see that this kind of interface will appear. So you have to just simply click on this performance section. So after clicking on this performance section, now you guys will be able to see the lots of menus are here. So in the left section, you have to just simply select the second tab, which is memory. So in the memory section, you guys will be able to see here is the cache data, which is 2.9 GB. So we want to clear it. After clearing it, it will reduce our system's hang data. So it will reduce our system cache data or cache memory. In this way, our system will get reduced and our system performance will get increased. So for that, you have to just simply go to any of your browser. So after coming to any of your browser here, you have to just simply search for RAM map, RAMMAP. So after that, you have to just simply search for it, and you guys will be able to see the first website, which is by Microsoft. You have to just simply open it. So you have to just simply click on it, and you guys will be able to see the download RAM map here. So you have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, the download will automatically start it. You have to just simply click on start download to start the download. And you guys will be able to see in a few seconds our download has been completed. So you have to just simply click on it to install the folder. So you have to just simply click on show more option and click on extract here. So after that, you guys will be able to see that it has extracted the 4 to 5 files. So you have to just simply click on this first simple one and right click on it and click on run as administrator. So after that, click on yes. And now you have to just simply click on agree to install this RAM map. Now you guys can be able to see. Let me just close all the applications. So after that, you will be able to consider all the options. So now guys will be able to see how it affects the task manager performance. So let me open up the task manager and I'm gonna tell you how it affects the cache memory. So here we are opening up the cache memory. You guys will be able to see the cache memory is 2.9 GB. So in order to clear the cache memory, you have to just simply go to RAM map application and go to the empty section of the top left corner. Here you have to just simply click on empty standby list. So after tapping on that, you guys will be able to see it has enormously changed the cache memory. It has enormously reduced the cache memory. So in this way, you guys will be able to clear the cache memory in RAM map, and by very easily it may work on both laptop and PC. If the method does not work, you guys can repeat the process again and again. After that, your cache memory will be reduced. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.